Welcome aboard the Majestic Princess. This is my cabin. I am staying in a wheelchair accessible balcony cabin. So I wanted to show you kind of what that looks like in case you decide to do a cruise on the Majestic Princess. So to my right, there is a wonderful full-length mirror so that you can see yourself at any height. It looks really nice. And then come on in, I'll show you the rest of the room. So this is set up as a 2-bedroom. You can also set it up as a 1-bedroom. I'm traveling with a friend, so that's why I'm having it set up the way I do. But there's plenty of room to turn around. There's plenty of room underneath the bed if you need a Hoyer lift. I would say there's at least a foot or two underneath the bed that's uninterrupted. So that gives you lots of room for any kind of lift. There's, like I said, there's a lot of turning radius in the room, so I'm really easy to navigate, and there's no issues with that. There's also a large closet. There are 2 racks in the closet, one lower for wheelchair users, one higher for anyone that's able-bodied that you may be traveling with. And there's also lots of hangers, but you can always ask for more if you need them. And then to the next part of the closet has shelves, as well as a safe for any valuables. The shelves are really nice if you prefer those. Or especially if you're using packing cubes, those are really easy just to put on the shelf and unpack in a hurry. See the bathroom and check that out. Inside you have a roll under sink. You have your standard commode with grab bars on either side so that you need one or the other. And then the shower has a fold-down seat as well as grab bars. The shampoo is within good reach, and you may be able to reach the shower controls as well. It is handheld, which is nice. And I saved the best for last. You have to check out this balcony. I splurged a balcony for Alaska because you do a lot of scenic cruising. But it is a ramp balcony, so it is accessible to wheelchair users. And so it's quite easy to use. You just roll right up and out. And it is a little tight, but I can turn around without any big problems. And there's no big lips on either side of the ramp to get out here, so that works really nice as well. Depending on your height, I find the rail not totally in my line of sight, so I'll still be able to enjoy a lot of the scenery that we cruise by. But again, that can differ based on whether you're shorter than me or taller than me. You may have a better view as well. So let me know what you think. Would you like to stay in a room like this?